Hey everyone, we are here at the Expo Hall at Teams, and today we're joined by Michael. It's great to have you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Do you mind telling us a little bit about your company and the app that we're going to be talking about today?
Yes, so the company is called Deviniti. We are a marketplace platinum partner. Also, we are solution platinum partner. I'm the product manager responsible for our portfolio of applications, so I'm more on the app side of things. The whole portfolio aims to improve mainly the experience of the customer portal with Jira Service Management. So we've got a variety of apps that do improve that space. We also do improve the work management area of so all the Jira Software, software development, even like work management for business teams. This is also applicable for our variety of tools. And today I'll be showing you our two most prominent apps we currently offer on cloud. These are going to be focused more on the work management side instead of service management. But these are, I would say, showstoppers in a way, that they really get people going, and people are really excited when they see them. And every time we are on a demo, they ask lots of questions about the use cases. Can I use it for this? Can I use it for that? Etc. So definitely, it's a very cool thing to see. It's almost like magic, I would say, in Jira. So yeah.
And what would you say is probably the most common use case you guys see?
Across the apps that I'm going to show is all the repetitive tasks. So the first app is called Issue Templates. So it allows you to create whole structures of issues just by one click. And so this is the best application of that is to HR use case, for example. We see that a lot. So onboarding, offboarding. If we need to onboard a person, there's a set of activities that you need to perform each time you onboard a new person. So you don't want to manually create each issue and fill the fields and all that. Assign the relevant person. So you can do that. You can create all of those issues using a template with a click. Also, when you, for example, if I were to organize team, there's a set of activities each time I'm organizing a team event. Instead of just creating the same issues over and over again, I click a template that is called Team 24, Team 20 something, and the whole set of issues is getting created in one click. People are assigned, and it speeds up lots of things and helps you get started quicker.
That maximizes your time for
Yes.
sure. Well, I'd love if you wouldn't mind kind of showing us some of these features and
Absolutely.
how it works. Awesome.
Right, great. So here we are in Jira. This is I would say the standard Jira, not the Jira Service Management. So let's say, just as I told you a second before, let's say that we are onboarding a new hire, or we are, let's say we are organizing a team event. So we can select the issue type that we want to create. That is going to be the container for the whole structure. We can select the repository of templates, because we can have a variety of different folders with templates. This one is called event template. In this folder we've also got a marketing campaign. But that can also be onboarding. So whatever activity that needs us to create repetitive tasks, this is the app that we use it for. So after we click next, let's say in that case we're organizing a team event. So let's say Team 24. The date is set for today. And after clicking next, we can we get a template or predefined fields already, so that we can fine tune them if there's something that we need to change. But you can see that the epic name is Team 24. In the summary, there's Team 24. So there's lots of that nitty-gritty stuff that we don't have to do, and it's automatically filled. So if we see that everything's ready, then we click create. And now the whole structure of issues is going to get created from the template. So we can see that happening live. So you see that the epic temp28 got created, and along with it, a variety of other issues. There's another epic that got created, and so on and so forth. So we just wait for that until it's done. If, for example, there's an assignee that doesn't have, relevant permissions, that cannot be assigned to a task, we see that as a warning here. So there's nothing wrong. It just tells us that we need to perform some other action. But yeah, once we're done, if we see in the bottom left corner that it's done, then it's done, and we can get to work basically. And instead of spending, I would say, 2 hours creating and filling the descriptions and assigning the right people, instead of doing that, we just do a few clicks, and the whole structure of issues is created. So that it definitely speeds up lots of stuff, and lets you get to work quicker and focus on what really matters.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so once it's created, I like that you can create another. That option's available. And let's say you did want to change your assignee there after it's created. Is that something you can easily do?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So after the whole structure is created, it respects all the permissions that are in the project and so on and so forth, and in connection to you as a user. But you can go to each of that issue and change it manually. So change the assignee, leave a comment, whatever. These are not static issues. These are normal Jira issues, but were created in a quicker way.
Awesome.
Yeah, so there's lots of use cases, as I said, onboarding, offboarding. When you are a development team and you build software, it's very helpful for releases. So let's say I've got an app and there's a new Jira coming up, and I need to up the compatibility, and then I create. I have a template called compatibility release, and I click it, I create it, and I have the whole list of tasks for my developers to give them to work on, and I just it speeds up all the management work, and I can focus on the business stuff instead of
everyday tasks
sitting in Jira and clicking issues. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate the overview. We'll make sure we link it so people can always book a demo
Absolutely.
and get some more in-depth knowledge.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm so excited you were here with us today.
Absolutely. Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of Teams. I know we're only at day 2. So.
Day 2, yeah. So the whole exciting day before us, and I love the atmosphere. I don't know how about you, but meeting all the people in the flesh that I've previously was meeting on the calls, then it's really something. So definitely exciting and energizing event.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Awesome.